What's going on YouTube? Armani, that car edit. Back at the guys with a brand new video.
Well,
Oh, got it.
okay.
So I'm here with my friend and business owner, not business owner, business partner, Blake.
What's up, guys?
So he also owns Winco Apparel. Go buy a shirt from him. It's basically all
Winco Apparel on Instagram and wincoapparel.com for the website. So
it's all about entrepreneur clothing. That's basically his brand. So
absolutely.
But today we're gonna talk about what grinds my gears. I've been putting this on for the longest time, and I finally decided to do it. But other than that,
And I hope you guys can't really hear the music. We're sitting in a bread company right now.
yeah. So,
We had nowhere else to go, so we're like, fuck it, let's come here.
all right.
So yeah.
Hey.
Yeah,
so-
hopefully we don't get copyrighted. Anyways, continue.
So basically, I'm gonna just start off with one thing and then let the rest follow through. I mean, I know I scheduled to send these out like different videos, but hell, might as well just go through the whole list that I got.
I'm
So,
gonna fill up my water real quick.
Alright.
Be right back.
alright.
Continue.
But anyways, I'll wait till he gets back so we can talk about all the cars. What really grinds our gears in the car world? Like things that people do, cars that are coming out, things that shouldn't come out but they are gonna come out. But hey, it's what it is. Car companies are gonna put it out there anyway, so. Dropping shit. So basically, I know it's not really a hot topic, but the 2020 Aston Martin DBX, which is
The
basically
DBX. Oh, is that the SUV?
yeah, the SUV,
Okay.
Aston Martin SUV. But I know you guys haven't really seen probably pictures of it. I'll throw a picture up here now, and
Picture.
and yeah, but hey, it kind of to me. I don't really know the power plant of it right now, but I've seen it. It kind of looks like a Porsche Cayenne to me. What do you think?
I would have to say the same thing. I don't think Aston Martin's working with Ferrari. I know Maserati uses Ferrari engines.
Yeah.
But yeah, I would probably have to say a Porsche. Porsche engine would probably be my candidate for what engine is going to be in it.
So like more.
But at least it'll be kind of fast.
Yeah. Hey, it'd probably be almost as fast as the Urus, I hope. Hey, but you never know.
Actually, you know what? Scratch that. It's going to be a Mercedes engine. Forgot.
It is? Okay.
100%. Because for their what is it, the Vanquish? The Vanquish?
Yeah.
They're using a Mercedes engine. It's the same with the DB11.
I think so.
I think. I don't know.
No. What is it called? The Vantage
Yeah,
uses
the Vantage uses the G8 out of the GTS.
and all of the infotainment system
Yeah.
and like.
Because I
dash.
think Mercedes bought Aston. I don't know.
Hey, you
Don't
tell us in the
at me.
comments.
Don't at me. Okay.
Right. You tell us in the comments below. But yeah, I hope the best for Aston Martin for that. I mean, I hope they sell enough per se. So I don't know.
I don't know. I think it'd be cool to see them on the road. You don't really see a
Rarely.
lot of those high-end SUVs.
Like
I don't know.
Bentegas.
I've seen a couple years before, and I've seen actually quite a lot of Bentegas. But
Yeah,
it'll be cool to have an Aston Martin SUV.
You
It
can
seems
see-
like that's the new trend.
It'd be different to see. So hey.
You don't really see a lot of the Maserati ones. What are they called? The Levante or something like that.
I don't know.
I don't know. Don't quote me on that again.
They basically look like Alfa Romeo Stelvios.
I do like the Alfa Romeo ones though. The Stelvios, those do look pretty cool. I like them.
Yeah, they look pretty cool, but
They're fast.
the engine doesn't do it for me. I drove.
Yeah. Oh, really?
Yeah. When I used to work in Mazda, they had all new views. People come over and do a different thing. So they had a bunch of cars. So I was a porter then, so I had to
What do you
drive.
think everyone in here is thinking about us with the camera in here?
They probably think we are either weird as shit or I don't know.
We can ask them.
Don't matter.
Alright. Back to the channel.
But one thing Blake really wanted to talk about is Hennessy, Venom,
Oh my god.
and the F5.
Let me tell you something. It's a scam. It's a scam. 100% a scam. Okay, and so I've literally watched videos on this, on this topic.
Right.
There's people who have ordered like cars or whatever, like, or sent their cars there to get like the kit on them or whatever.
Right.
Like 3 years ago, they still haven't got their cars.
Yeah, they got a tall order though. So they keep getting.
Yeah, but I don't know. It's just,
And they're broadening.
they've got a fucking big facility.
And they're broadening their expansion.
Yeah, I saw that post. They're fucking building a massive warehouse, which should hopefully help everyone that put an order in 3 years ago get their car back.
And,
you know,
and they're broadening the spectrum of cars, not doing so much, like not so focus oriented on American cars. They're trying to get into like McLarens and stuff. I've seen they do a McLaren.
see that is one thing I do like about the Hennessy group. They don't just focus on one car.
Right.
They do pretty much everything. But dude, the fucking F5 definitely not coming out anytime soon. It's fake.
And they haven't. I mean, I know.
When did that car come out? Like 2 years ago? Like they announced it like 2 years ago or something like that?
Yeah, they're just trying to find like all the. I think they're trying to find all the like the motor, like who's gonna help them build the motor and the twin turbos
Well,
and stuff
they
like
have
that.
like the engine display.
The
of what
7.2 liter V8.
Yeah,
twin turbo.
I don't know.
yeah.
What is it? The Chevy? Is it the Chevy motor? I think it's a fucking Chevy
yes,
motor.
I
Piece
think
of
it is.
shit. That's the start. Fucking Chevy motor.
Hey, LS
Excuse my language. Excuse my language. I'm
LS
sorry.
video, LS not videos, LS engines.
LS swap the world.
Right.
No.
But hey, I hope they at least come out with it. But they
I
really-
think it would be cool to come out, like to see it come out. The 300 mile per hour mark, I don't think that's gonna happen though.
I mean, you see Bugatti did that, but
Yeah, that's different. That's
Yeah.
Bugatti. This is
Right.
Hennessy Venom. Well, the Hennessy.
Yeah.
You know, it's different. I just don't think
they
they're
must
gonna
have been sipping too much
I
Hennessy
mean,
when they made
yeah, I
that.
get that they're like trying to, like they're taking their time on it maybe, or unless they just like, they just can't put out the car. 'Cause
Right.
It's not really a thing. Like it's a scam. You know.
Yeah. But other than that, on to
That
the
grinds
next
my
one.
gears a lot. Like Hennessy, stop.
Oh, it's not on the list, but I want to talk about it. But I know
Let's hear it.
I'm a completely different person, but I don't like bagged fast cars, like a bagged GTR.
What?
I don't like bagged fast cars. If
What about
it's-
Justin's car? You like Justin's car? Justin, are you watching?
Justin? Your car is dope. But
All right, Justin, you're in the green.
no, I'm just talking about like anything like high end, like over $100,000 that's been bagged, and then like a GTR.
Okay,
I can see
there's
that.
some.
But
There's
like,
some. It's gonna be
Okay.
like a specific build. Like it's gotta look.
or like a built, like if you go out your way to build a motor for a car to make it like run like 7 or 8 seconds in a quarter mile, don't put bags on it.
Yeah, that's not gonna work. That's not gonna help you.
Yeah, because you freaking be driving down the be like this and just
Yeah, like Justin's car. Justin.
oh.
Justin.
But hey,
Your bags have popped many times, but very sorry.
or like
Love you, bud.
yeah, we love you, Dustin, but or like how Damon tried to do it on Daily Driven Exotics with that. But I know, but he likes to slide, so that's
Yeah.
one thing. But other than that,
Sliding on bags, completely different story.
don't do
Terrible
it.
idea.
That's
Don't
all I
do it.
gotta say. Don't do it. But hey, it is what it is. Car, people do what they want when they buy their cars. okay?
Yeah, if you have the money, why not go
Right.
for it?
Money is, hey, money is money. As long as you're making it, forget what else people say.
Exactly, 100%.
But have you seen the new C8? There's one around here.
Yeah, I heard the Chevy executive was in town or something like that, and he chose a C8 Corvette. I personally am not a fan of the C8 Corvette, but that's me because I'm not a Chevy fan in general. I do like the Z06s, the C7s. I love those. And other than that, the ZR1 1LE, I like that car. It's a great car. I like the car. But other than that, I'm not a big Chevy fan. So the C8 Corvette, it just doesn't do it for me. Like I like the concept of it being a cheap, fast car, but to me, it just doesn't do it for me.
Yeah.
Like
I mean,
I'd rather spend, what is it, $70,000 or something like that.
I think it's like 60 or 50 or something like that right now.
That's like sticker price though. or
Yeah.
MSRP.
Yeah, that.
So
and the Supra.
after, I guarantee it's gonna be like 80, 90 grand.
So basically, like saying, I'm just gonna say this, like before, like the Supra came out, I didn't really like it because of the way it looked. Now that it came out, I'm seeing
Yeah.
what people are doing with it.
I don't know.
I like it.
I liked the Super when it came out, but now I feel like it's too saturated.
Yeah,
You know,
because like
market's
every
too saturated.
YouTuber has it on.
Exactly. Everyone's doing the same thing with it. Not a fan.
Like I was thinking about getting one, but
Whoa.
pockets little
A
tight
little
right
shallow.
now. Yeah, little just
Yeah.
But
Um,
hey, I'm just like that. I'm like that with the CA. I don't know from seeing the pictures. I'm a visual person, so I have
Yeah,
to see that
me
stuff
too.
in person. So
But to be honest, if I was gonna spend 70 grand on a car, I'd rather buy like a used Gallardo,
Yeah, them-
just a used supercar, maybe just a GTR. I think a GTR would be a great car for 70 grand.
yeah,
You know.
not unless you, not unless you want to go to Copart and find one.
Yep. I mean,
I've been trying to look for project cars out there. Just
oh god.
yeah, but other than that, you can find some really good deals on Copart. Just saying, like you can find like
What else we got on this fucking list?
we can you can find like cars that have not have little scratches on them, no damages at all, but you can get that on there. But one thing I really want to talk about is
M cars, well, non-M cars, fucking M bad. Dude, let me fucking tell you this. I've never seen a more annoying person than a person who drives a non-M car and puts an M badge on it. Same thing with AMGs. Like, if you're driving a Mercedes and it's just like C300 or whatever,
Right.
and you slap an AMG badge on that bitch, you're gay.
yeah, you played yourself.
Yeah, you're a fool. You are a fool.
Right. I don't know. I don't like. I don't really think like some cars shouldn't come out. Like, I'm just trying to figure out.
Wait, are we still talking about the M badges?
You can.
I don't care. We can do whatever you want. It's your channel, bro.
The new R8. I know if you guys watched the video, 2 videos ago, I was at a R8 unveiling in not Chesterfield, Creve Coeur, and a lady from
Big guy, huh?
All my other friends were mad, including Blake, that he couldn't come. I was like, I told him it was a private invite. I couldn't.
Yep.
Hey,
Yep.
I
Look at
just
this
went.
guy stepping up on the world.
Hey, I just tried to get there, but yeah, it was a good, cool car. She calls the car, the girl from the Need for Speed Car Club. She calls it Black Panther, the color, because it's like greenish and it's like
Oh,
black.
that's like purple.
It's black but greenish and purple.
Oh, really? I didn't know it was
You
greenish.
gotta look at it like you can sometimes look at it one way, and you can see both colors, or look at it one way and see different
that's
color. But other than
We
that,
got 4 minutes
okay, we got 4 minutes in here, but
until this bitch closed.
yeah, so that's basically just what I'm trying to do with the
I don't know.
channel.
Everyone else is still in here, so fine.
Yeah.
Until they all leave, we're good.
Yeah, I don't know. But that's really all I really.
I don't know. I
want to talk
wasn't
about.
really a fan of the
What?
new R8.
Yeah, you probably thinking like the grill and the wheels, right?
Yeah, but I think it's one of those things like I have to see it in person. You know,
Yeah.
visual person. But
Like at first, like I said, I didn't like it at first until I saw it in person, but it's a good.
I like the V10 Plus, the second gen.
Because
R8.
everything's better with a plus in the end. So
When you're getting more for your money, you put a plus in the end.
yeah, if you got deep pockets, go for the highest option.
Go for the plus.
Right,
Plus.
not minus. 'Cause you don't
Then
need
you're
that.
getting less for your money.
Right. And you probably get ripped off in a deal, but
Well,
that's none of the that's if of this discussion. So what do you want to talk about now? Electric cars. Electric cars.
Okay, not gonna lie though, the Mustang that they came out with, the electric one.
The Mach E.
No, did you not see the thing about the electric Mustang? They fucking put in a manual on it, bro.
Oh, I did.
A
I heard
manual
about
electric
that.
Mustang, like that's something I could actually get down with.
Right.
You know, because it still gives you that driving experience. You know, having the whole manual aspect of it, like 10 times cooler. Like
The new Porsche Taycan, whatever. That thing,
that's cool. That thing
that's
is
the only.
sick.
That'd probably be the only electric car I would ever get because it has like 750 horsepower.
Electric volts.
Yeah, that has like, I think they said 8,000 foot-pounds of torque or some shit like that.
Woo! Wait,
That-
8,000?
Or something like that. Or
Nuts,
newton
bro.
meters or something like
I
that.
don't know. It's science. I don't get it.
And they, like the highest, like a starting one, base is 150 grand. The one I've seen was like
Say
206. I was like, oh my god.
All right, let's go.
Oh, we got pocket change on it?
Pull up the black card.
Put out the black. But yeah, as you can see, it's basically that's all I want to try to do. What grinds my gears? Just talk about different stuff. Think of things to come up with. Like if I can try to focus on one thing through the whole video, and then we can try to do that in future videos. But other than that, I would like to thank you guys for watching and listening to me and Blake rant about cars that we
There's
don't
plenty
like.
of things on the list that we can talk about in the next episode.
Oh yeah.
What grinds my gears?
Oh, so
There's
next.
lots of shit that grinds my gears.
Oh, there's a whole spectrum. on
Like,
that,
hold
but-
up. I'll show you guys here in a minute.
But
Across,
hey,
across the way.
yeah, there's some
in the
couple
parking lot.
things over there. But
Yeah.
other than that, thank y'all for watching. We both appreciate you guys watching.
Yeah, thank you guys.
And if you or consider subscribing, I greatly appreciate it. And hey, stay tuned for more videos.
Hey guys, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Also share it.
Right here.
Share the channel, guys.
Share the channel with
really,
your friends.
really good content coming here. So.
Share it with your friends and family, everything like that. But hey, content is content. So thank y'all for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you browse the channel for more videos that I've been in. Well, that are on my channel, but I've been in all of them.
Let's
So
browse for more videos that I have been in.
yeah, Blake, it's gonna be hard finding those. So go check it out. But yeah, other than that, thank y'all for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next
Got a
one.
lot of
Peace.
videos.